Hey guys, today, you saw in the title, we are going to be changing the rear diff fluid. Let me get the flashlight going on here. There we go. On the 225 here. So, if that's what you guys are interested in, kick back, grab yourself a cold snack, and enjoy. If not, well, find something you like, I guess. So, but I'm gonna get set up, and we'll be right back. All right, I got all my lighting here all set up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this little plastic cap thing here. I'm gonna take that off, right? And then you got a little guy here. Takes a number 6 Allen key. Get in there. I hope it comes free. Let me grab a wrench here. It should pop free. Yeah, it's gotta go this way. There we go. Sometimes you have to, like, loosen it up a bit to get it. All right. So let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna play it smart, actually. Grab a paper towel. There we go. Have to zoom out a bit just to make it easier. Okay, have everything down here. Zoom back in now. There we go. And pull it off. Now it's supposed to be like just to the top of the threads or something. And do you guys see anything in there? Oof. She's pretty low, looks like. So let's drain the bottom here. Where is it? Underneath here. Like underneath there it is. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, where that hole is. So I'm going to turn the camera off and I'll be right back as soon as I get it going. Alright, I got it loose. Let's see what it looks like. Come on. I would put music in for like a time lapse, but for some reason Filmora's music has been getting copyright strikes for me. Or not copyright strikes, but it's copywritten music that I pay for. Come on. Oh, doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that good. So I'm gonna let this drain and then fill it up with some of this. All right, we got the drain plug back in the bottom. Let's take a look at this oil for a minute. Looks pretty shitty. But then again, there's a lot of other stuff mixed in there, but yeah, it's still pretty gross. So let's get this fresh stuff put in. And we have to go just to where the threads meet. Or like right, so I'm guessing to where it's dark. So I'm going to fill it up and we'll be right back. Alright, you guys can see we got the diff back full. Up to where it says to like just until it seems to start seeping out. So that seems to be where it is now. I checked it, little old oil change trick for checking diffs, and look at that, get yourself a zip tie like that. If you just want to see your fluid, that is clean. I'm shaky, doesn't want to zoom in. But that is some clean ass oil. Should be, it's 80-90. But now I'm gonna put the plug back in and take it for a boot. But first, I am waiting for one of two people, either my uncle or my buddy Adam, to stop by. Because, let me grab it here. Come here. Never organized, am I? I need one of them to stop at Canadian Tire and grab me a new spark plug. Because, as you can see, this one's all taped up. Yeah, the porcelain cracked. And I got myself a nasty zap in the leg. And it's causing some problems with running. So we're going to get that done here right away. And take it for a boot. And we'll see what she does. But when we get the plug, I'll show you which one I got. Alright guys, we got our spark plug. You can see it's the DR7EA. The cool thing about it is, came with two. Fucking bonus, two of them for 10 bucks from Canadian Tire. So, I'm going to pull that guy out of there. Put this one in, we'll see how she sounds. Alright guys, got the new plug in. As you can see, the old plug was burnt. Won't focus, but it was pretty gross. Like I said, I had to tape it because the porcelain was all cracked on it. So let's put it on here and we'll see how she sounds. Alright, let's see how she goes here. Hasn't ran in a couple days. I've been busy. It took a couple days to get the plugs to show up. I've had two different people bringing them. So let's see if she'll start. Fire is right up. Like you guys saw that one little, but you gotta decompress that cylinder. Like you gotta hit that switch for the cylinder, like the decompression for the valves, and then she'll pull right over every time, like easy. She sounds not bad. I'll block that out, see if it's not fucking blinding you guys. Turn her down. Oh. I might have to do some adjusting on the carburetor. She's cold. Alright, I'm gonna let it warm up. Take it for a ride and see how she does. I'm gonna shut it off. I don't need it running right now. I'll do that after I'm done the video. But yeah, she seems to go good. Pushes a lot easier. I'm not hearing any more clunking and weird noises from the rear diff, which is always a bonus. And it's actually sounding a lot better with this plug. Like I was having intermittent miss issues, and I was getting my leg zapped, which I'm 100% positive had to do with the cracked porcelain. So now, it should be okay. So, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I don't know what I'm going to be doing next. Could be this thing. As you see, there's something going on with the windshield, and there's a blanket, and there's something, right? There could be something going on there. We don't know. It's that time of year where it's kind of like dead-ended everywhere. Like, I was actually, you know, kicking ass when it came to getting parts and shit like that. Like, order something, 2-3 days later it'd be here, and it's just like, holy fuck, what are people bitching about this whole like the shipping, you know, shortage and shit like that, about like, everything just shows up quick, and I live in the, you know, bumfuck nowhere in Canada, right? But now I'm starting to feel it. I think I got something coming up on the Tahoe soon. I'm not sure. But otherwise, the next video you see on the Tahoe, if you haven't seen it already, will just be kind of an update on where we're at right now, because we're waiting on shit. That's why you guys are seeing a lot of the trike content lately, because it's easier to get trike parts right now than it is to get Tahoe parts. So, yeah. But wheels are coming, tires are coming, and I just got to get Buddy to get a hold of me to get this wiring done, and then we're ready to rock and roll. So, but until next time, guys, stay safe out there. Love ya. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And God bless.